Types of cubic crystal and number of atoms per unit cells. Contribution of each atom to the unit cell is at the corner is 1/8. So contribution of each atom to the unit cell is at the face 1/2. Contribution of each atom to the unit cell is at the body is equal to 1. So number of atoms in a simple or primitive cubic unit cell is equal to 8 corner atoms. Then multiply 1/8 atom per unit cell. So holding capacity of a simple cubic unit cell is 1 atom. Second, number of atoms in body centered cubic unit cell, 8 corner atoms, multiply 1/8 atom per unit cell plus 1 atom present at the center of cube, it's equal to 2 atoms. It means BCC hold the 2 atoms. Third, number of atoms in FCC, face centered cubic unit cell, is equal to 8 corner atoms, multiply by 1 atom per unit cell plus 6 atoms, multiply half atom per unit cell, it's equal to 4 atoms. Means FCC hold the 4 atoms. Packing efficiency, the percentage of total space occupied by the particles, atoms, molecule or ions, known as packing efficiency. So first one, packing efficiency in a simple cubic unit cell. So edge length is equal to A, radius of sphere equal to R. Here the edge length is double to radii, means 2R. So number of sphere per unit cell is equal to 8 corner sphere multiply 1/8 sphere per unit cell equal to 1 sphere. So volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi R cube. So volume of cube is equal to A cube. We put the value of A, which is 2R. So 2R cube is equal to 8R cube. So packing efficiency is equal to volume of one sphere divided by total volume of a cubic unit cell. Then multiply by 100. We put the value 4/3 pi R cube divided by 8R cube multiply by 100. So after the calculation, the answer is 52.4. It means a simple cubic unit cells holding the 52.4%. It is the packing efficiency of this unit cell. The second point is packing efficiency in BCC, body centered cubic unit cell. Edge length is A, radius of each sphere is equal to R. Number of sphere per unit cell is equal to 8 corner spheres multiply 1/8 sphere per unit cell plus 1 sphere present at the center of cube. They form 2 spheres. And student, there are 2 right angle triangle I have seen, ACD and ABC. So by this right angle triangle we can solve the another calculations. So here AD is equal to 2R plus R plus R, it's equal to 4R. So consider the right angle triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to A square plus A square. We put the values of AB and BC. So AC square is equal to 2AA square. Another similarly right angle triangle ACD, AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. AD square is equal to, we put the value of AC above side, 2A square plus A square. So AD square is equal to 3A square. AD is equal to under root 3A, or A is equal to 4R under root 3. We put the value of AD for upper side, it is equal to 4R. So volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi R cube. Total volume of 2 spheres is equal to 2 multiply 4/3 pi R cube. So packing efficiency is equal to volume of 2 spheres in unit cell divided by total volume of cubic unit cell, then multiply by 100. So we put the value 8/3 pi R cube is the volume of 2 spheres in unit cell. Then divided by total volume of cubic unit cell, it is equal to 64 r cube, and divided by 3 under root 3 and multiply 100. So student, after the calculation, the packing efficiency of body centered unit cell is 68%. Next is the packing efficiency in FCC, means face centered cubic unit cell. As length of unit cell is equal to A, radius of each sphere is equal to R, number of sphere per unit cell is equal to 8 corner spheres multiply 1 upon 8 sphere per unit cell plus 6 face spheres multiply half sphere per unit cell, it is equal to 4 spheres. Here if you have see, so AC is equal to 2R plus R, then plus R, it is equal to 4R. Consider right angle triangle ABC, it is come by the side, if we have seen by the FCC lattice, so a right triangle is formed which is known as ABC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to A square plus A square. AC square is 2A square. AC under root 2A or 4R. AC we take the value of upper side. AC is equal to 4R, we put the value. So 4R is equal to under root 2A, or A is equal to under root 2R. So packing efficiency, total volume of 4 sphere is equal to 4 upon 4 multiply by 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So packing efficiency of a FCC unit cell, volume of all 4 spheres in unit cell, divided by total volume of a cubic unit cell and then multiply by 100. So we put the value. The total volume of 4 sphere is equal to 16 upon 3 pi r cube, and total volume of cubic unit cell is 16 under root 2 r cube, then multiply by 100. So after the calculation, the packing efficiency of FCC unit cell is 74%, means the highest packing efficiency is found in the FCC unit. Student, easily you can learn the unit cell, simple cubic, FCC and BCC, distance between nearest neighborhood known as D, radii R. The relationship is, in a simple cubic unit cell, the distance is A and radii is equal to A upon 2, means half of side. In a FCC, the value is A divided by under root 2 or 0.707, then multiply by the A side, so we can calculate the distance. And radii calculate easily. A means side divided by 2 under root 2, it is equal to 0.3535A. In a body centered BCC unit cell, under root 3A divided by 2 or 0.866A, means distance is always with, then multiply by 0.866. And when we calculate the radii, so under root 3 upon 4 multiply by A, or we multiply the side distance by 0.433. According to this topic, in question are given in the NCERT book. 1.14 is the first question. Aluminium crystallized in a cubic closed structure. Its metallic radius is 125 picometer. There are two segments. What is the length site of the unit cell? And second segment, how many unit cells are there in 1 cubic centimeter of aluminium? So student, first we solve the first segment. In a cubic closed structure, R is equal to A divided by 2 under root 2, or A is equal to 2R under root 2. So we put the value 2 multiply 125 and multiply by 1.414. It is the value of under root 2, and R radii are given 125 picometer. So we put the value of 125. So the answer is 353.5 picometer. Second segment, volume of unit cell is equal to A cube, and the side of unit cell are come in the first segment is 353.5 picometer. So 353 point into 10 to the power minus 10, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 picometer. So 353.5 multiply 10 to the power minus 10, take the cube. So after the calculation the values come 4.42 into 10 to the power minus 23 cubic centimeter. In question they want how many unit cells are there in 1 cubic centimeter of aluminium. So number of unit cells in 1 cubic centimeter is 1 divided by the volume of a unit cell, 4.42 into 10 to the power minus 23. So the solution is, answer is 2.26 into 10 to the power 22 unit cell. Another question in NCERT book 1.21 is based on this topic. Question is, gold crystallizes, atomic radius is given 0.144 nanometer in a FCC centered unit cell. What is the length of a side of the cell? In FCC system, R is equal to A divided by 2 under root 2, or A is equal to 2R under root 2. We put the value 2 multiply 0.144, which is given in a question, then multiply 1.414, the value of decimal value of under root 2. So the answer is 0.407 nanometer. So by the help of this type of a numerical, you can strong the numerical part of this chapter, because the numerical part are always be asked in a board exam in this chapter. So thank you for listening to us.